Hello Damoda team, this is Ricardo from AiON. I just want to congratulate you on your 10th anniversary. It's been a pleasure to work alongside you and deliver the most amazing spectacles around the world. We hope to continue this journey with you and very excited to what's next. Congratulations on this huge milestone and let's keep going for more. Thank you.
Happy 10th anniversary, Damoda.
Happy 10-year anniversary, Damoda. It's been a lot of fun and a very exciting year working together. It's been about 2 years since I saw Damoda breaking their own world record on YouTube. And it's been about a year since our team flew out to Shenzhen for hands-on training and to see the tech in action. Since then, we've done some amazing shows. It's been a ton of fun, and we look forward to the years ahead and see what we can do.
Hey Damoda, happy 10-year anniversary from Hire UAV Pro. Keep up the good work, keep making great drones, and thanks for all that you do.
Congrats from the Lang team to 10 years Damoda!
On behalf of MIRS Innovate Singapore, thank you for your trust and partnership.
Happy anniversary, Damoda! Congratulations, Damoda, on 10 years. With your state-of-the-art technology, we are sweeping the industry and are 100% injury and incident-free.
Hello partners, this is Miyasser from the beautiful beaches of Dubai. Skyvertise and I would like to congratulate you on making it to 10 years. You guys are awesome, and thank you for making the best drone show technologies in the world. Thank you so much as well for collaborating with us to make incredible shows worldwide, and Shashe.
Hi guys, we're Pixel Drone from Brazil and we're very happy and proud to work with Damoda. Keep running the best drones, okay? Happy anniversary for you.
こんにちは。2016年から10年間、創立10周年を迎えられたということでおめでとうございます。V1 の開発からローンチ、そして自社での完全生産となって以降は様々な方が開発に関わり、全員の方の努力によって機体も会社も発展されてきたのだと思います。お疲れ様でした。2024年にはギネス記録を更新されました。今それから2年も経ってませんが、永久飛行のための充電システム、それから安全に飛行するための仕組みを次々に開発し実装されており、私たちパートナーも自信を持って販売することができます。ありがとうございます。これからもドローンショーのナンバーワンカンパニーであり続け、ますますのご発展を願っております。10周年おめでとうございました。
Cheers, Damoda. All the best. 100 more years, Damoda.
我们在法国巴黎联合国教科文总部，在此我们祝贺大马大公司10周年，生日快乐！生日快乐！